Hi friends, I'm outside to do my video today because we're going to talk about birds. And I thought maybe I would see some birds while I was outside. So we're going to talk about birds, and they have wings. They have two wings, like we have two legs and we walk. They have two wings, and the wings help them fly. So I've got some pictures of some birds first. Here's a bird. He's not flying, he's standing on the ground, but he has lots of colors. He's got a white tummy and a black head, and he's got some blue on his wing. So birds can have all different colors too. Now this next bird, look at him, he's flying. You can see his wings. He has two wings, and that's what make him fly. He's got some green on him and some white and black, and you see his little feet down here. And my last picture, there's a bird who's sitting in his nest. This is called a nest, and that's his home. So he might go off and fly off and get some food, and then he'll come back to his home. Just like when we go to the grocery store, we bring our food back home. So we're going to practice flying like a bird. We can put our two arms out like this and pretend that they're wings and flap them. Can you do that? Can you flap your arms like they're wings, like a bird? Whee! Let's fly, fly, fly. And you can also put them out straight. Let me stand up and I can show you. Put them out straight to fly like a bird. Put your arms out like this. You can fly like a bird. Fly up and down, up and down. And now look what I have. I brought a scarf out with me. And look, I can use my two hands and I can fly with my scarf. Up and down, up and down. And I can put it in just one hand too. Fly like a bird. Woo! Up and down. And then I come back home. So why don't you practice flying like a bird? Have fun.